Have you ever wondered what it actually takes to build a multi-million-dollar custom home? Well, if you have, then you're in the right place. I'm Jen Burton. I design and develop custom luxury homes. And right now, I'm documenting the entire process from blueprint to move-in day. The permitting, the budgets, the red tags, the days I want to pull my hair out. And this is not a highlight reel. On this channel, you're getting a front row, no BS look at the custom home building process. We're collaborating with brands and manufacturers who are actually going to be in the house. We're going to take you on factory tours to design centers, to their workshops, showing you how these items are made, how these items are going to be integrated into the house. So if you are building a home, renovating, or just simply interested in beautiful homes, this is the channel for you.